1969 Dodge Charger. This is a really original car. It was bought new right here in Lakewood, Colorado. It is a white hat special, and that is actually on the fender tag. You can decode it was a white hat special. And if you don't know what that is, I recommend looking it up on YouTube. Some good videos out there about it. This is a 383 two-barrel factory air car, rear window defroster. It's still got the 14-inch hubcaps, four-wheel drum brakes, just bone stock, this car. Couple things to keep in mind is this is not the original color. This was repainted some time ago to this lighter blue. Originally it would have been a darker blue, which you see here in the door jamb. And right there a little too. The interiors had a little work over the years. The seats and whatnot, door panels have been reupholstered, and they're in beautiful shape. This is the original interior color. Very pretty interior. Obviously, it's got speakers added on the doors. Pretty typical stuff people did. 84,000 miles on the odometer, believed to be original based off history and records and being one family owned all this time. It is currently on consignment from the estate that owned the car and offered for sale here at our dealership in Denver, Colorado. Does have an electric fuel pump that's been added, so it starts up a lot easier. Also does have a little more aggressive exhaust, as you can hear. A little louder than it would have been normally stock. Aftermarket radio. The rear defroster is a pretty cool option that you don't see very often. I can hear it blowing back there. There's two different speeds. That's pretty trick. And then, as you heard, the horn does work. Another thing to mention is the steering wheel and steering column is really nice and tight. The shifter, I mean, it's just drops into gear just like it's supposed to. Really nice and tight. No slop. There's your wipers and your regular blower motor fan. All the buttons appear to work. The defrost is coming out. Leave the AC on. I don't believe the AC blows cold. It probably needs to be recharged, but we'll leave it on here for a second and see if it does anything. This car also has a lot of original paperwork that comes with it, and a lot of different records over the years that were kept track of by the family. All right, there you have it, folks. There's your 383 V8 engine, two-barrel, factory air, power steering, power drum brakes. Really neat under the hood here. This engine does have a record that comes with the car that it was rebuilt a few years ago. We'll include that. If you're interested, you can let us know. We can send you that if you'd like to take a look at the specifics. Headers have been added, as you can see there. Get a little more performance out of this beast. We'll have a picture of this stamping and a close-up picture of the data tag on our website under the listing. This is an older paint job, keep in mind, so it does have its fair share of character on it, but the body is really nice and straight coming down the side here. Colorado owned all its life, which is a big plus. Our cars normally don't have rust problems here, and this car shows that. When you look at our undercarriage pictures, it looks like a Colorado car. You can see there's a run right here in the paint. You know, you're gonna see a few things like that on the paint job here and there, but really solid bones overall. Maybe a little ding here, a little ding there, like right here. Some garage storage wear most likely. If you're interested in this 1969 Dodge Charger, please go to our website, scroll down, there's a link in the description. It'll take you right there. There you'll be able to find those undercarriage pictures I'm talking about. Pictures of the engine and transmission, VIN number stampings, data tag, you name it. And if you'd like to make an offer, you'd like to learn the asking price, or you have any questions, don't hesitate. Give us a call. That's carsrememberwhen.com. Thanks for watching.